Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Daxiang's men's UPF 50 long sleeve sun protection shirt. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like up close, try it on, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its bag, please note it's a size large. I am 165 pounds and 6'1". There's some reflective logos here and some stripes on the side on the arm. On each side. Not sure if they're reflecting, but they're kind of like, light reflective on my visual. Pretty standard. Does have thumb holes here. So when wearing, you will have that thumb hole on the edge. Otherwise, pretty standard. Showing you the fabric. There also is a different fabric underneath the armpit. So be aware of that. As you can see, it's kind of like a mesh versus, there's a good view of it, versus your typical standard. There's a slight stretch to it, not a whole lot of stretch. But as mentioned, this is the armpit and it goes down to the edges here a little bit, so pretty far through the armpit. So we'll go ahead and get this tried on after washing it.
All right, so I mean, it's just very comfortable. Fits great. As mentioned, it's got the thumb holes here. So I'm very happy with the way this works. It's a very comfortable shirt. Worked great as a rash guard. Definitely worth buying. So hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.